And we are in front of the new series of the Genius Performance Malibu campervans based on the Mercedes chassis, the 641 LE, and it's the first one for the 2025 edition. And yes, we are looking at a longer styled van. We shall be getting into it. So looking in the inside, Genius S with actual specs 640 on the longest part. And yes, we are looking at about 4 tons of actual weight. But let's go inside and check this Genius Performance van. And specs wise, we are looking at the price of 158,500 euros for this actual van with the standard Mercedes chassis, great looking seats, cabinets all around, push cabinet for this part and also push cabinet for that part. Additional storage units from this side and over the kitchen, deep sink and 2 burner stoves. On the lower part we have 3 deep cabinets, not bad at all. This part is made for the Thetford 90-liter fridge with freezer and additional cabinets for your kitchen right up there. Great storage unit for your pasta. And then on this part we have additional cabinets. Oh, these are great slide-out cabinets. Oh, pretty deep, and additional right up there. Oh, bin. And if we are looking from this part, we get this actual designed for your actual slide out, in, out Thetford toilet. And well, it does look great with drop down sink. Yeah, this is a drop down sink. Additional cabinets and additional cabinets from this side too, opening up. Well, not the most spacious, but you get the point. Closing off this part, this can be used also as a divider door. Yep. And then on the back we have a longitudinal bed, looking at 203 for this part and 196.85 for that part. And then we have 3 large cabinets on that part and 3 large cabinets on this part with additional storage units on the lower part. Yep, this looks amazingly well made. And also we have you can open this part and get to the actual storage unit, and also probably you can lift up the system, but this is pretty long. And exiting out, we shall be looking into the back of this campervan to get to understand this situation and how it's built. So it's slightly different from your standard, but you get the point. You get a lot of storage for this Malibu Genius Performance van. And this is the outside look of the actual van.